Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. It's Felicity. How are you all feeling today? I hope you guys are feeling amazing. And today's video is going to be 3 tips on how you can feel and look even better. This is just the tips that I use that works out for me. You know, everybody is different. So if you would like to see what I have in store for you guys today, then continue watching. So tip number 1 is going to be self-care. And I know that seems cliche and that's just common sense, but honestly, when you have acne, I know that it can be depressing, and I know that you can get down on yourself. You have to uplift yourself. You have to be free-spirited, and you have to know that acne is only temporary. So don't be too hard on yourself. Just know that it will go away. And make sure that you wash your face at least twice a day. I like to start off my morning by washing my face just so I can have a clean start. And I also try to wash my face before I go to bed, just to make sure that as I'm going to bed and my body is rejuvenating itself, restoring itself for all of its nutrients, that my face isn't caked on with all the oils left on it by the end of the day. You always want to make sure that your skin is moisturized, even if you have oily skin. So when you wash your face, you are stripping your face of its natural oils that it does produce. You know, obviously those are good for you, but just too much of it could be bad. Moisturizing your face replenishes it of the oils that you're stripping it away when you wash it. Make sure you're always getting at least 8 hours of sleep as well. Your body needs time to restore itself. Once I get a good night's sleep, I'll wake up and my face will be so much less swollen and less red, and my pimples will almost look like they went away overnight, which doesn't normally happen, but when you get good sleep and you take care of yourself, it's almost like your body thanks you. And the most important rule that I have to stress about self-care is that you love yourself. Make sure that you love yourself and you tell yourself that you are beautiful. Even if you do not believe it, trust me, when I had acne, I did not believe myself when I told myself I was beautiful, that I was pretty, because I knew that no matter what, everybody was looking at the surface and only that. My personality definitely outshines my acne, and yours can too, as long as you believe in yourself. So just tell yourself every day, you don't even have to look in the mirror, just tell yourself every day that you're beautiful and that you can do this. Once you start doing that, your mind will get into the routine of telling yourself that over and over and over again. Your mind is very powerful and you will start believing it. Just remind yourself that acne does not define you, it's only temporary, and you are beautiful no matter what. So my second tip that I have to share with you guys is diet. Make sure that what you're putting in your body is good, because then you will get good out. If you're putting a bunch of junk inside your body, then all you're gonna get is junk out. And make sure you drink plenty of water. I cannot stress this enough. This is probably the most important thing. If this is the only thing that you get out of the video, drink water. It is important for your healing process of your body. Yeah, water may not have the greatest taste, but honestly, like once I started drinking water, I felt so much better and my skin started looking better too. It definitely heals your scars as well. And stay away from dairy. I know that cheese and milk is so tasty, and ice cream and cheeseburgers and pizza and all of these tasty things, but honestly, once I cut dairy out of my diet, my acne went away. Like, I didn't even have to do anything else except drink water and not eat dairy. Once I stopped eating milk and cheese, it's almost like my skin just stopped having an allergic reaction and just went back to normal. Yeah, my face isn't completely back to normal, but I still kind of cheat here and there, but you want to stick to that. You make sure you want to stick to your diet. Results will not show. If you keep cheating on yourself and doing all these bad things, you're not going to see the results that you want. But definitely do a little bit more research about these tips that I'm giving you. I'm not a nutritionalist. I have no idea what I'm talking about. I'm just going off of my experiences and what has worked for me and what I've noticed with my skin. So the third and final tip that I have for you guys is see a specialist. Sometimes it might be expensive, but honestly, if you look around and you do the necessary research that you have to, you will find a good dermatologist in your area. But I would highly recommend you go to a dermatologist. Not have the necessary resources that you can to go and get to one, but as long as you get one consultation, you might be able to get some opinions on how he can assist you. Even if you don't have money for medication or insurance or anything like that. I don't have insurance, and I still was able to find a dermatologist in my area that accepts me. I take a medication now for antibacterial medicine because I do know that with acne, sometimes it's not always on the surface. It is working from the inside out, and that's what I like because that's really the only thing that has worked for me. But yeah, it never hurts to get a second opinion, right? But yeah, so those are basically my 3 tips on how you can get even better skin as long as you follow them. Again, it's gonna have to be with routine, and as long as you know the necessary steps that you have to get to be able to get your face thriving, then go ahead and do them. Make sure you take the time. Take time to care for yourself, love yourself, nurture yourself. Just make sure that you are doing yourself right, and your skin will thank you. A few bonus tips that I have to share with you guys is to not keep changing your products. You don't want to keep changing face washes, toners, lotions, and stuff like that, because your skin has to get used to the product that you're using. Anytime that I use a new product, I have sensitive skin, so maybe your skin is a little bit different, but every time that I use a new product, I get a new pimple, because my skin is getting out all the necessary dirt that new product was able to get out that the old product wasn't able to do. So just give your skin time to be able to get used to the product, and just know that when you do have to change, that it's at the right time and it's not because this product isn't working. A lot of acne products are actually made to give you more acne when you don't use the product, just so you continue buying that same product. So just be aware of that. And if you guys would like any recommendations on some masks that you can do, I have a few DIY masks. Some of them include aloe, turmeric, honey, lemon. It just all depends on what you have in your household. So definitely leave me some comments down below, or give this video a like to let me know what you would like to see next, and if you like this video, so I can continue making more videos for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that these tips were able to help you out. I definitely enjoyed talking with y'all today. Let me know if you have any tips and tricks that you would like to share in the comments, what has or hasn't worked for you. And until next time, bye.